If you have recently started leading a team of experienced professionals, then this video is for you. Understand, these experienced professionals have skills, they have been performing well in their roles, and they may not have really good rapport with you so far. It could be a possibility that they may not be even respecting you because you don't have that kind of experience that they hold. Don't take it otherwise. Try to understand that they have reached their positions because of their hard work and dedication. These people have big egos. So rather than going against them, rather than feeling bad that they are not respecting you, try to build rapport with them. Try to understand their situation and at the same time, give them autonomy. Empower employees by giving them autonomy and decision-making authority. When you trust employees to make decisions, it can boost their motivation and satisfaction because they don't need your hand-holding. They already know their work. They had been doing well. So, try this and let me know in comments how it goes. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.